Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add and use multiple Twitter accounts on iPhone. So if you have more than one X or Twitter account and you want to add all the same account to the same iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is you want to add multiple accounts to your Twitter app. So go ahead and open the X application. Go ahead and click on the profile picture at the top left. Locate and click on the plus icon. Then it should say add an existing account or create a new account. To add multiple Twitter accounts on your iPhone, click on add an existing account. Now, once you click on add an existing account, you should see a pop that says to get started, first enter your phone number or email. Now, for you to add multiple Twitter accounts to your Twitter app, you need to go ahead and type in your Twitter username or email. So let's say I want to add this particular Twitter account. So just go ahead, type in the username. Make sure you enter the correct username, then click on next. If the username is correct, you'll be prompted to type in your Twitter account password. So go ahead and type in the password, then click on login. So if the password is correct, you'll be able to log into the Twitter account. Now, that is basically how to add multiple Twitter accounts on iPhone. Now, to use multiple Twitter accounts on iPhone, you can easily switch between Twitter accounts. To do this, just click on the profile icon at the top left. Then you should see all added Twitter accounts here. Then select the Twitter account you want to use. And this is going to refresh the Twitter application and set in the new Twitter you selected. You see that? So you can use this to add multiple Twitter accounts. So if you already added 2 Twitter accounts and you want to add more, once you click on the profile icon at the top left, click on the 3 dots, then you should say create new or add an existing account. So you can now go ahead, create another Twitter account or add an existing account to the Twitter account, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to add multiple and use multiple Twitter accounts on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.